Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to my channel. Welcome to this video. So if you remember, I had another video that's saying that showing our organs in 3D. And today I am back with human skeleton anatomy on 3D. So what are we gonna do today? Oh my god, do you see that? Wow, whoever did this, they have some skills on 3D. I mean, I know because I also do design things and it's so hard for me right now. It's taking so much time for me right now, you know? So, maybe you're gonna say like, why would I need this? Why would I? You might not need this, but a person who is going to medics, maybe before the exam, she just wanna look at it, you know, because I don't know, or a girl in high school, a girl in 7th grade, 8th grade, she wants to, she wants to learn about human body. Or you're just into it and you just want to know about it. So you can go and download this video and use it. So we're going to check it out. As we can see, it's saying what are those, what are these from here. And from here we see, okay, this is Latin osphagnidal. As you can see, this is where it is. We have this one, frontal bone. We have this lacrimal bone. We have our nasal. We have maxilla, zygomatic, and our jaw. It's so good. Like, this is posterior. And this is occipital. I like it. And these are molar. Damn. These are premolar. These are incisor. How about these ones? Canine tooth. I mean, it's pretty interesting, isn't it? And as you can see, it is nasal concha. So let's go down to this one. As you can see, we also have this text. We have, wow. Like each of them, you see? I like those ones. You should go check it out because it looks better in person, I swear. We have our arm looking all scary. Very scary. This looks like a wing. So, as you can see, it's showing which ones. For example, I'm trying to see as arms, let's say humerus. You see, it took it out. It took it out. Now we don't have one. Let's put it back. All, of course. But let's get rid of these ones. You can see, right? Wow. Let me go with all. Because I want to show you, like, you see, but this is actually not one bone. Like, there are a lot of them here. And I have broke my arm. I don't know how many times. I was a gymnast back then. But now, I can't. I can't anymore. So it is, I don't know. I liked it. Like, the 3Ds are very nice, very good. That's what actually made it even better, I think. So we also have the feet. Wow. Woo. This is sacrum. This is coccyx. This is the pelvis. This is the pubic symphysis. This is our femur. Like, I don't understand how is there like two bones here. Like, because I'm trying to feeling it and it's not there. Maybe it's because I have a big fat leg, but you see, you can check all of them like this, but it's creepy a bit, I think. So when you click here, as you can see, you can read it like this or that, or you can it was scary, guys. We have our theme. When we choose this, as you can see, it's showing all the different ones in different colors. Imagine our bones would be looking like this. It would be nice. I want to check these ones too. Wow, imagine metallic. It would look like we would be so badass. Oh no. But we should just leave it like this, I guess. Imagine our teeth be looking like rappers. I liked it actually, to be honest. And from this rotate, we're just rotating, but it's taking too much time. From this 3 vertical dots, as you can see, you can choose which one to stay there. For example, I removed some of them. Frontal bone, we can remove some of them and see how it looks. I mean, yeah. You see. So I think if you are interested in, you can change your language, by the way. You can get some help, or we can exit from here, or we can just close the app. So I think it is nice. It's cool. If you would like to learn, especially if you'd like your children to learn, I think it would be more fun for children, because the interactions are a bit down, like not really a good quality, to be honest, but they can be used. Why not? If your children is gonna be using it, they will not know the difference that much. So just give the phone, let them learn, watch them learn. So guys, let me ask you something. Have you ever broken your arm the way I did? Like, maybe you were a gymnast and you got so excited because you heard that there was gonna be an exam, stuff like that. Let me know in the comments, okay? I want to know your stories. And don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel so we can see each other so we can see each other in my next videos. Okay? See you guys in my next videos.